Take an example. You are given a number which is 2 out of 5. Open the bracket, which is 5x minus 6. Close the bracket. Then minus 2 out of 3. Then open the bracket, which is 6x minus 4. And they want you to simplify such a number. What you're going to do, this is how you can attack such a number. Solution. Now, here we have fractions. If you have a fraction in place, the starting step is to find the LCM. You're going to find the LCM of 5 and 3. Since there are two numbers, their LCM in most cases is going to be 5 times 3. And in this case, we shall get our LCM as 15. Then we are going to divide through by our LCM. Our LCM is 15. If you get 15 divided by 5, you're going to have a 3, which means that you're going to have 3 times 2. Open the bracket. This is 5x minus 6. Close the bracket. Minus, here you're going to have 15 divided by 3. You're going to have a 5, which times 2. Open the bracket. 6x minus 4. Then you close the bracket. If you have something like that, that means that 2 times 3 is going to give us 2 times 3 is going to give us a 6. Open the bracket. Going to have 5x minus 6. Close the bracket. You subtract off 5 times 2 to give us a 10. Then open the bracket. 6x minus 4. Close the bracket. This will be out of our LCM, which is a 15. Okay, that's very interesting. Then our next step is we are going to enter the bracket. We said the number outside the bracket has to multiply each and everything inside the bracket. Therefore, here we are going to have 6 times 5x minus 6 times 6. You subtract off, this is a negative 10, then it's going to multiply with 6x. A negative and a negative, it becomes a positive. Therefore, I'll have 10 times 4. This will be out of 15, which is our LCM. Yes, let's move on and see how we can. Let's move on. Then after here, let's try to draw a line to separate the two. That means that if I have multiplied 6 times 5x, this must give us 30. This must give me, sorry about that. This must give me 30x. And then 30x, you subtract off 6 times 6, it must give us 36. And then if you come back here, negative 10 times 6x, it must give us negative 60x. And lastly, 10 times 4, it must give us 40. Then plus 40. This is over our LCM, which we got as 15. If you move further here, we try to correct like terms. It will be 30x minus 60x. Subtract off 36 and then plus 40. This will be out of 15. Now, if you try to work out here, we're having 30. This is our 30 minus 60. We are going to end up having a negative. It's going to be negative. It's going to be negative 30. It can't be 60. It must give us a negative 30. Negative 30x. And then here we're having negative 36. We try to add 40 to give us a positive 4 out of 15. Here it will be the same as saying 4 subtract of 30x out of 15. And that will be our final answer.